Good morning, learners. Welcome back to our normal lessons. Last week we started talking about sources of information, and last week we basically talked about information. So today we are going to learn or talk about sources of information. And when we talk of sources of information is where we get our information from. Sources of information is where we get our information from. That is data, news, stories, and other and so on. So we have examples of sources of information, which are people, newspapers, letters, films, announcements, bulletins, magazines. I'm taking it again and say after me. People, newspapers, letters, films, announcements, bulletins, and magazine. Now when I talk of bulletin, it's a short broadcast which contains a single news item. Bulletin is a short broadcast which contains a single news item. That is, when you watch news, or when you are watching the news, when the beginning of the news, the newscasters come out with vital points, the important points, things that are important in the news. So that is what we are talking about, the bulletin. Then the magazines are the articles and pictures published in a magazine. That is school magazine. You can have school magazine, an article of magazine that you can see pictures under, and then certain things must be written under it. Now, as we're able to know the sources of information, then we are going to base on bulletin, and the bulletin we are going to base on bulletin to do our assignment. So here I want all parents to help the learners to do this assignment for me, because the children cannot do it alone, and I want parents to join the children so that they can do this assignment. We are going to base on the bulletin to do our assignment. This is what the assignment will be written under the screen. So this is what I want you to do. We are going to watch news, 7 o'clock news, with the learners or with your words. We are going to watch the TV play or any TV station of your choice. So this is what I want you to do. I want the name of the news TV station, then names of presenters or the newscasters. I want them, their names. Then we write 5 points. 5 points or bulletin. For me. So we are going to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short broadcasting, or maybe bulletin, news item, short news item. We are going to present them like this way. Then after that, you just take a picture of it, you send it to me on WhatsApp. Last week we had a challenge about my WhatsApp line. So this week I'm going to give you the right number so that you can send your assignment to the number. Thank you.